What is up, YouTube? And welcome back to another video on high altitude investing. Today, I'm really excited to share with you an altcoin that I expect to see a lot of profit on over the next little while inside of these markets. We're going to be making a lot of money as these markets turn around in the big picture. So I figured, why not share with you one coin that we're all going to make a lot of money on moving forward as we see that reversal. You guys, if you're not a subscriber to my channel, go ahead and hit that subscribe button, as well as sharing these videos with your friends and commenting down below if you have any coins you want me to run over in these videos. So without further ado, let's get straight into today's video. So let's start off here with Bitcoin, because Bitcoin is going to create the reversal that we need to see in our altcoins. It's the mothership, it carries the whole market. So this is definitely the first one to be paying attention to in your technical analysis. Whenever you pull up these charts, we want to look at Bitcoin pretty much first thing. It has the highest market cap, so it affects the market as a whole the most. So when we look at Bitcoin here, we see a very, very shocking similarity between the bottom on Bitcoin at 3,000, which is this white fractal, this ghost fractal that I have drawn in the background, and what's going on with Bitcoin right now. As you can see, we've started to bounce here with Bitcoin and we're coming back down. There's a lot of volatility, or at least on the smaller time frames. On the higher time frames, there's actually pretty low volatility down here. But it's very similar to the bottom formation that we saw here on Bitcoin at 3,000. Before Bitcoin saw a short squeeze rally all the way up to 14,000 actually out of this bottom pattern. And we see the same thing with Bitcoin right now. We also see a very similar volume as what happened in the COVID drop. In fact, there's actually significantly more volume than there was back in March 2020 during that panic on Bitcoin. So this is a great opportunity for a buyer on Bitcoin, for buyers in general. And we're going to make a lot of money as Bitcoin reverses here and really heads up to these next major liquidity levels and really tests these higher resistance levels. And, being worth $20,000 per coin right now, we have a lot of gains between down here and even 40,000 or our major all-time high of 69,000 per coin. So there's a lot of money to be made with Bitcoin. This reversal can be huge and one we're going to have a lot of fun trading inside of these markets. So let's go ahead and look at Chiliz. Today's video is really short, really quick. I just felt these two coins, Bitcoin and then Chiliz, were pretty much the most important things to share with you today. And even though it's a short video, it's going to be super valuable, because if you invest in either of these coins, although this is not financial advice, it's my trading journal, I have a high degree of confidence in these patterns that you will make a lot of money and will make a lot of money trading and investing in these coins together. So as you can see here with Chiliz, we're worth 19 cents right now. And this is extremely similar to the Stellar Lumens bottom back in 2017. So let's go ahead and pull this up. You can see on both of these charts, we have a triangle in the background moving down, this huge triangle pattern in the background. And that triangle is basically a consolidation range. So once prices start to drop, they drop inside of a range. Even though they're moving down, they still drop inside of a range. And that creates a massive accumulation where whales are just buying inside of this triangle continuously. And when it breaks out of that triangle, that's when you need to pay attention. And as you can see, that's exactly what happened with Chiliz. It's the same exact kind of breakout we saw with Stellar Lumens. And why I felt it was important to share Chiliz today is because we're actually set up to see a nice pump in the short term right here, just like Stellar Lumens did as we broke out, as well as in the big picture, because being worth 19 cents as we break out here and really start to reverse and head up to new all-time highs, This is extremely undervalued, Chili's is. So in the big picture, we have massive opportunity to buy at 19 cents and sell over $1 in the future. And in the short term, we have opportunity to buy at 19 cents, and it can pump all the way up to even 50 cents right here. So that's a huge opportunity in both time frames, and one I felt would be extremely valuable to share with my community today here on YouTube, and provide some awesome opportunities for you guys to be making money in these markets, because we want to make money. I mean, that's part of the fun of investing, is turning 1,000 into 20,000. The patterns and all this stuff is extremely fun as well. But let's be honest, it's extremely fun to make money in these markets and to actually pull gains out into your crypto wallet, into your bank, to go travel, to be able to do things you've never been able to do. And all of that created from the freedom that is created from being able to pull money out of markets continuously. And that's super fun, you guys. So, that's why I share these projects with you today, so we can start making some serious gains in these markets in the short term, in the big picture. And we can really make, whether it's recovering from your losses in the bear market, which is a great start, start recovering from your losses, or whether you're new to crypto and you want to make your first 10K or 100K, now is definitely the time to be in crypto, to be investing in it, to be buying these different coins, and to be looking at these setups, because very rarely do you ever get the opportunity to buy as undervalued as we are right now. Buying Bitcoin right now, it hasn't been this undervalued since March of 2020, before we went to 69,000. Buying Chili's, we're never going to see prices this low ever again. So it's just one of those things you need to keep in mind. Same with Bitcoin. We're never going to see prices this low ever again. So now is the time to be invested in these markets and to really be taking advantage of these big picture opportunities and these short-term moves which we see coming moving forward in crypto. So thank you guys so much for tuning in today's video. I love you. As for my mastermind members, expect an email later today. We did not meet on Saturday as usual. We've got a lot of exciting sessions moving forward. We haven't met as regular as we normally do over the past couple weeks. We've been really busy with different things, but expect our sessions to continue as normal. We've got a lot of profit to be making in these markets. So if you're a mastermind member, watch for that email later today. If you want to join the mastermind, you can always apply below. We tune in every single Saturday to live sessions to show you how to make money on these markets. Also, I've got the 1-year VIP. If you just want to kind of dip your feet in the water and start profiting off of my VIP signals, shoot me an email. Be more than happy to help you get set up with that as well. Thank you guys for tuning in. I love you. I appreciate you. And as always, stay profitable out there.